A WD-40 company, a tribe member is someone who comes to work every day, makes a contribution to something bigger than themselves, learns something new, feels safe because of our values, has fun, and goes home happy.
So today we're out here giving back. We're all coming together on our weekend to help out community members who really need it, and we're going to see what kind of work we can accomplish in a few hours.
I decided to volunteer today because I feel as though a little bit of my time combined with others makes a great impact, and I'm able.
I volunteered because community is important. Worst thing that's going to happen to me is I stub my toe and get blisters and embarrass myself with some power tools.
To us, value doing the right thing is our reminder of what our real principles are in the company. Doing the right thing for our end users, doing the right thing for our tribe, and doing the right thing for the shareholders who trust us with their investments.
The value that resonates most with me is doing the right thing. I think that integrity is important within an organization, but also just personally. I'm affected and others are affected when that value is not upheld.
Making it better than it is today is our challenge. Some people say that we could get groupthink being a tribe, that we only think the same way, but with our value of making it better than it is today, we can challenge each other to make something that we think is fabulous a little better tomorrow.
I would say the value that resonates the most with me is making it better, because there's always room for improvement, whether it's ourselves, whether it's as an organization, whether it's as a community, there's always room for improvement. So anything that I can do today to make it better for tomorrow is definitely the one that's closest to me.
I think what made this opportunity cool for me was WD-40 and the Habitat team made it really easy for us to just say, hey, we want to do something to help people in our community, and they handled all the logistics, we show up, and they put us to work. And that's living life hands-on, that's making it better than it is today, and that's kind of why we're here.
There's only one thing we have in life, and that's memories. So creating positive, lasting memories to us is so important. WD-40 brand itself was built on memories. Everybody remembers when WD-40 created a memory for them. So we like to say that our life is about creating positive, lasting memories in everything we do.
A positive, lasting memory that I'll be taking home today is knowing that I've done my part. Our company, WD-40, has done its part in participating and helping out our community.
Giving back is part of what we do. So WD-40 Company is about supporting the tribe members that come to work every day, the communities in which they live, the environment in which it plays. So if we want to make the world a better place, then we as an organization need to support our people in helping them give back to make the world a better place.
My name is Nikki Macias.
My name is Todd Tatham.
My name is Freddie Flores.
I'm a WD-40 tribe member.
I'm a WD-40 tribe member.
And I live life hands-on.